Today we will discuss about the topic trigonometric equations. In this trigonometric equations, this is the very most important and easy of the JEE Mains. JEE Mains point of view, in this question, number of solutions. So compulsory one question is there. So in this topic, less formulas. So very easy. Sine 0 degrees is equal to 0 degrees. Sine pi degrees is equal to 0. Sine 2 pi is equal to 0. Sine 5 pi equal to 0. Sine 100 pi equal to 0. So these are the sine n pi is equal to 0. Where n is equal to 0, here 1, here 2, here 5, here 100. Now here the first formula is sine theta is equal to 0, then theta is equal to the function, it is valued at n pi, where n is integers. N is integers. Here, so here tan also, tan pi 0, tan 2 pi 0, tan 5 pi 0, tan 100 pi 0. Now tan n pi also 0. And here tan theta is equal to 0 also. This is the one formula. Now second formula. Now cos 0 degrees. So here cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. Cos 3 pi by 2 is equal to 0. Cos 5 pi by 2 is equal to 0. Cos 7 pi by 2 is equal to 0. Cos 99 pi by 2 is equal to 0. In this case, cos here 1, 3, 5, 7, 99. These are the odd numbers. Theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by. So cos theta is equal to 0. Cos theta is equal to 0. Then theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Some important formulas. So first one, sin theta is equal to 0 and tan theta is equal to 0. So these are the first one. So now theta is equal to n pi, where n is integer. Now here second one. So cos theta is equal to 0. Here theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to n is integer. Now here, so third one, sin theta is equal to k. Now k is the constant number, any number, or sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n alpha. Now here next one, cos theta is equal to k, or cos theta is equal to cos alpha. This is the most important formula. Now here theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, n is integer. N is integer. Next, tan theta is equal to k, where theta here tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, n is belongs to integer. Next, fourth one, here sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. Cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha. Tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. So these are the three formulas. Then theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha, n is integer. So final fifth one, common solution. Common solution. Here common solution means, so sin and cos, cos and sin, tan, cot, cosecant. So two trigonometric ratios is given. Then theta is equal to 2n pi. So 2n pi plus alpha, n belongs to z. Now, so coordinate axis, so this is the first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinate. First coordinate lies in theta, fourth coordinate lies in minus theta. So second coordinate lies in pi minus theta, third coordinate lies in minus of pi minus theta. So these are the very most important formulas. These formulas we can read, we can identify the formulas, then easily we write the JEE 1 question. JEE means 2025 1 question. The number of solutions of the equation cos 2 theta cos theta by 2 plus cos phi theta by 2 is equal to 2 cos cube phi theta by 2. Here, this one, so cos 2 theta, same cos theta by 2 is equal to 2 cos cube phi theta by 2 minus cos phi theta by 2. Here, cos phi theta by 2 is the common. Now, here 2 cos square phi theta by 2 minus 1. Now, here cos phi theta by 2, 2 cos square theta minus 1 means cos 2 theta. Cos 2 into phi theta by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. So both sides multiply with 2. 2 cos 2 theta and cos theta by 2 is equal to 2 cos phi theta by 2 and cos phi theta. We know that 2 cos A cos B formula. So 2 cos A cos B formula means cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Now here cos of 2 theta plus theta by 2, here 5 theta by 2 plus cos of 2 theta minus theta by 2, so 3 theta by 2 is equal to, here also same, cos of 5 theta by 2 plus 5 theta 15 theta by 2 plus cos of 5 theta by 2 plus minus 5 theta, so 10 theta minus 5 theta, 5 theta by 2. Here both 5 theta by 2 cos 5 theta by 2 gets cancelled. Here remaining is there, so here remaining cos 15 theta by 2 is equal to cos 3 theta by 2. So we know that formula cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, n is integers. So this is the one formula. Now here 15 theta by 2 is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 3 theta by 2. So these are plus and minus. So here 15 theta by 2 is equal to 2n pi plus 3 theta by 2, 1, and 15 theta by 2 is equal to 2n pi minus 3 theta by 2. Now here 15 theta by 2 minus 3 theta by 2 is equal to 2n pi. So now LCM is 2, 15 minus 3 theta, 12 theta by 2, that means 6 theta, that is equal to 2n pi. So 2 1s, 2 3s, theta is equal to n pi by 3. Theta is equal to n pi by 3. Here, so 15 plus 3, 18, 9 theta is equal to 2n pi. Now theta is equal to 2n pi by 9. So n is integers. So these are the general solutions. Two general solutions are there. Here lies between minus 90 to 90. 90 to minus 90. Now here, so first this one, theta is equal to n pi by 3, where n is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0 degrees, n is equal to 1, pi by 3, that means 60 lies between. Here n is equal to minus 1, here minus pi by 3, minus 60 also lies between. So these are the three values. So n is equal to 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means pi by 3, 60 into 2, here 120, 120 does not lies in these values. Here theta is equal to, first we substitute 0, 0. Now 1 means, So 2 into 1 pi by 9, 2 pi by 9. Here also minus 1, minus 2 pi by 9. So n is equal to 2, that is 4 pi by 9. That is n is equal to minus 2, minus 4 pi by 9. So
these are the 4 and these are the 3, total 7 solutions.
Here one more question. The number of solutions of the equation 4 minus root 3 sin x minus 2 root 3 cos square x is equal to minus 4 by 1 plus root 3 lies between minus 2 pi comma 5 pi by 2. So that means minus 360, so 450 lies between. So these are the one question. Now here multiply with sin x, 4 sin x minus root 3 sin x minus 2 root 3. We know that cos square x 1 minus sin square x. So that is equal to minus 4 by root 3 plus 1. Now rationalize root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Now 4 sin x minus root 3 sin x minus multiply with 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3. So plus 2 root 3 sin square x, that is equal to minus 4 into root 3 minus 1 by here a plus b into a minus b, that is 2, 2 ones, 2 twos. Now 4 sin x minus root 3 sin x minus 2 root 3, so plus 2 root 3 sin square x, here multiply with minus 2, so plus 2 root 3, so here minus 2 is equal to 0. Here plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 gets cancelled. This equation 2 root 3 sin square x minus root 3 sin x plus 4 sin x minus 2 is equal to 0. So in these two equations, so root 3 sin x is common. Now here 2 sin x, so minus 1. Here 2 is common. 2 sin x minus 1 is equal to 0. Again 2 sin x minus 1 is common. So here root 3 sin x plus 2 is equal to 0. So these are the two factors. One is 2 sin x minus 1 is equal to 0. Root 3 sin x plus 2 is equal to 0. Sin x is equal to minus 2 by root 3. Here sin x is equal to 1 by 2. So minus 2 by root 3 does not lies in minus 1 to 1. So it's not possible. It's not possible. So this is possible. Now here we know that the formula sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n alpha, n is integer. So this is the formula. Now here x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n. Here 1 is sin 30, that means n is integers. So take so n is equal to 0. Now x is equal to pi by 6. So that is the one value. So next one, n is equal to 1. So pi minus pi by 6. So pi minus pi by 6, that is pi by 6. Now n is equal to minus 1 minus minus pi plus minus pi by 6. So minus 7 pi by 6. This is also lies between this one. So n is equal to 2. Here 2 pi plus pi by 6, that is 13 pi by 6. Now here n is equal to minus 2. Here minus 2. Here also plus. So 12 minus 11 pi by 6. So 11 pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30. So here minus 330. Here so 390. Here minus 210. Here 150. Here 30. So 30 lies in this value. 150 also lies. 210 also lies. 390 also lies. Minus 330 also lies. So n is equal to 3. So 3 pi minus pi by 6. So 18 minus 1, so 17 pi by 6. 17 into 30, that is equal to 510. 510 does not lies in this one. So greater than 450, so this value does not exist. So finally, so these are the solutions. How many solutions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a number of solutions is equal to 5. JEE Mains 2025 sum. The number of solutions of the equation root 3 cosecant square theta minus 2 into root 3 minus 1 cosecant theta minus 4 is equal to 0. So the theta lies between minus 7 pi by 6 comma 4 pi by 3. So pi by 6 means 30. So minus 210. So pi by 3 is 60. So 6 into 4 240. So this is the lies between this. Now in this equation, root 3 cosecant square theta minus cosecant theta into 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 cosecant theta. So minus into minus plus 2 cosecant theta minus 4 is equal to 0. In this one, root 3 cosecant theta is common. Now cosecant theta minus 2. Here plus 1 is common. So 2 is common. Here cosecant theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Now again cosecant theta minus 2 is common. Now root 3 cosecant theta plus 2 is equal to 0. So these are the, one is cosecant theta is equal to 2. Another one is cosecant theta is equal to minus 2 by root 3. So cosecant theta means, so inverse of sin theta. Now sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Now sin theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. So the formula is sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Then theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n alpha. N is integers. So this formula can apply this one. Now theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n. So 1 by 2 is sin 30. So that is values pi by 6. This is the one GS. Here, so sin is negative. So here pi plus theta. So root 3 by 2 means sin 60. So pi by 3. So sin 2 pi. So 4 pi by 3. Sin 4 pi by 3. Now theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n. 4 pi by 3. N is integers. So these are the two general solutions. So two general solutions. Now bound. So minus 310 to 240. Put n is equal to 0. N is equal to 0. The lies between, so that is pi by 6. So lies between these two values. So this is exist. N is equal to 1. So n is equal to 1. Here pi minus pi by 6. So that is 5 pi by 6. So pi by 6 means here, so 150, this is also lies there. So n is equal to minus 1. So here minus pi by 6. So minus 7 pi by 6. So that is here pi by 6 means 30 minus 210. So this is also minus 7 pi by 6 also exist. So n is equal to 2. That means 2 pi plus pi by 6. That is 13 pi by 6. So 390. So above 240, this is not lies between. So here minus 2. Minus 2 pi plus pi by 6. That is minus 12 pi. So minus 11 pi by 6. So minus 330. So minus 330 also does not lies between this value. So these two values not satisfied. Only three values is satisfied. In this case, here theta is equal to 0. Here 4 pi by 3. So pi by 3 is equal to 60. 4 into 60. So 240. So this is the one. So now n is equal to minus 1. So n is equal to 1. Then So 1 means pi minus 4 pi by 3. So pi minus 4 pi by 3. So LCM is pi, so 3. So 3 pi minus pi by 3. Minus pi by 3 is minus 60, lies between this one. Now here, next one minus 1. Here minus pi, here also minus 4 pi by 3. Here minus 3 pi minus 4 minus 7 pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60. So 760 is so minus 240. So minus 240 does not lies between. So this is that does not exist. So n is equal to 2. Now 2 pi here plus 4 pi by 3. So 2 pi plus 4 pi by 3. Here this one 6 plus 10 pi by 3. So 600. So does not lies between. So n is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 pi plus 4 pi by 3. So here minus 6 pi plus 2 pi. So minus 2 pi by 3. So here so minus 120. Here 120 minus 120 lies between. So this one minus 2 pi by 3. So these are the three values. So these are the three solutions. These are the three solutions. So total number of solutions is equal to 6. The answer is 6. One more question. The number of solutions of the equation. So 2 root 2 cos square theta plus 2 minus root 6 cos theta minus root 3 is equal to 0. The lies between minus 2 pi to 2 pi. Here 2 root 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus root 6 cos theta minus root 3 is equal to 0. Now what is the common? So 2 cos theta is the common. Now root 2 cos theta. So root 2 cos theta. Here minus, so plus 1. So minus root 3 is common. Root 2 cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So root 2 cos theta plus 1 root, another root 2 cos theta minus root 3 is equal to 0. One is cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So cos theta is equal to here minus 1 by 2 means cos of pi minus pi by 4. So here cos theta is equal to cos 30, that is pi by 6. Now first one theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 3 pi by 4. So here theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 6, n is integers. These are the two general solutions. The bound is minus 2 pi to 2 pi and the minus 360 to 360. So these are the bounds. So then put n is equal to 0. Theta is equal to n is equal to 0 plus or minus 3 pi by 4. So pi by 4 means 45. 45 into 3, 135 lies between these two. So these two values are existent. Now n is equal to 1. That means so n is equal to 1. 2 pi plus or minus 3 pi by 4. The LCM is 4. So 8 pi plus or minus 3 pi. That means 8 plus 3, 11 pi by 4. 8 minus 3, so 5 pi by 4. Now pi by 4 means 45. 45 into 11 does not exist. So 45 into 3, 225 lies between this one. 5 pi by 4 is the one value. Next here n is equal to minus 1. Minus 2 pi, so plus or minus 3 pi by 4. Here 4 is LCM. Minus 8 pi plus or minus 3 pi by 4. Here so minus 5 pi by 4 and minus 11 pi by 4. Minus 11 pi by 4 does not exist. So 5 pi by 4 is the existive. So plus or minus 5 pi by 4 is the. So these are the final solutions. So 4 solutions. So in this case 4 solutions. So in this one, here n is equal to 0, that is plus or minus pi by 6. So 30 plus 30 minus 30 lies between this one. Now here n is equal to 1, that means 2 pi plus or minus pi by 6. The LCM is 6, so 12 pi plus or minus pi, that means 13 pi by 6. Another one is 11 pi by 6. So 13 pi by 6 means 30. So 13 3 is 390. 390 does not exist in this bound. So here, so 330 lies between this one. So one is 11 pi by 6. So next one, n is equal to minus 1. This is minus. This is minus here. So minus 13 pi by 6 does not exist. Minus 11 pi by 6 exists. So here also plus or minus. So finally, this also 4 solutions. So finally, number of solutions is equal to 4 plus 4. 8 solutions is the answer, is the correct answer. One more question, one more model. Sum of the all values of theta is belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Satisfying one equation. 2 sin square theta equal to cos 2 theta. Another one, 2 cos square theta is equal to 3 sin theta. So these are the two equations. Common solutions is there. So the common solutions lies between 0 to 2 pi. The values, sum of the values is the answer. Now here 2 sin square theta is equal to, we know that the cos 2 theta formula, 2 sin square 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. In this minus 2 sin square theta transpose plus already 2 sin square theta, that means 4 sin square theta is equal to 1. Now sin square theta is equal to 1 by 4, that means 1 by 2 whole square. Sin theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. So this is the one solution. So here this one, so 2 into cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta minus 3 sin theta is equal to 0. Multiply with 2. 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 3 sin theta is equal to 0. Now minus is common. 2 sin square theta plus 3 sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. So we know that factors. So this is the quadratic equation. So 2 sin theta minus 1. So sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 sin theta into sin theta, 2 sin square theta. 2 into 2, 4. So here plus, so 4. Now 4 sin theta minus sin theta, 3 sin theta, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. These are the two. So one is sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta is equal to minus 2. Does not lies between minus 1 and no. So this is not possible. So here also sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Here also is equal to sin theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Finally, common solution is sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. The sin pi by, so sin pi by 6. Now we know that formula, sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n alpha, n is integers. So this is the one solution. So this is the formula. Now theta is equal to, so n pi plus minus 1 whole power n pi by 6, n is integers. So take the bound is 0 to 2 pi, but to take n is equal to 0, that is pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 30, 30 lies between 0 to 360. So n is equal to 1. 1 means pi minus pi by 6, that means 5 pi by 6. So 5 pi by 6 means, so 150 lies between this one. So minus 1. Minus pi by 6. So negative does not lies between. This is the not value. Now n is equal to 2. 2 pi plus pi by 6. 13 pi by 6. That is 390. 390, so greater than 360 does not lies in this value. only these two solutions is there. So number of solutions is equal to old 2. The question sum of the values. So sum of the solutions. So that is pi by 6 plus 5 pi by 6. That is 6 pi by 6. The answer is pi. The answer is